Are your Discord messages getting ignored? Learn how to ping anyone in under 2 minutes. We'll cover pinging individual users, everyone, online members, and specific roles. Let's start with the basics. Start by heading over to Discord and opening the app or web version. Then, navigate to the channel where you want to ping someone and click into the message box to get ready. Now, type the @ symbol, followed by the first few letters of the person's username or nickname. A drop-down menu will appear with matching users. Just click the correct one to highlight their name in blue, then type your message and hit Enter or Send. To ping everyone in the server, type @everyone and hit Enter or Send. If you only want to ping online and active users, type @here and hit Enter or Send. You can also ping a specific role by typing followed by the role name. For example, click on @admin to ping all admins, or click on @moderator to ping the moderators. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.